Instagram showing server errors? Here are 14 working fixes in order from easiest to most advanced.
Here is what server error looks like. A refresh that never finishes. This message. This one. Login failures. And the one everyone hates, try again later.
First, check if the problem is even on your side. Open downdetector.com and search Instagram. If user reports show a spike, Instagram itself is down. No fix on your phone will help. Close the app, wait 1 to 3 hours, and check back.
Force close the app. On Android, open Recents and swipe the Instagram card away. On iPhone, swipe up from the bottom to open the app switcher and swipe the card off. Then, reopen Instagram.
Restart the phone. Hold the power button until the power menu appears. Tap Restart and wait for it to boot. This clears the network stack and stuck background processes. And it is the first thing Instagram's own help center tells you to try.
Check your connection. Toggle airplane mode on for 10 seconds, then off. That resets all radios. If you are on Wi-Fi, switch to mobile data, or the other way around. If Instagram works on one network, but not the other, the problem is that network, not Instagram.
Turn off your VPN. Slow or blocked VPN servers are a classic cause of connection errors. Open your VPN app and hit Disconnect. Or on iPhone, go to Settings, General VPN, and Device Management, and toggle it off. Then, open Instagram. Make sure Instagram is up to date. Open the Google Play Store on Android, or the App Store on iPhone. Search Instagram, and tap Update. Updates ship bug fixes for exactly these errors. If no update shows, you are already current.
Clear the app cache? This fixes more of these errors than anything else. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Instagram, Storage, then tap Clear Cache. Do not tap Clear Storage because that logs you out. On iPhone, there is no cache button, so go to Settings, General, iPhone Storage, tap Instagram, and tap Offload App. When it is done, tap Reinstall App. You stay logged in, and the cache is wiped.
If cache clearing is not enough, uninstall and reinstall. On iPhone, hold the app icon, tap Remove App, then Delete App. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Instagram, and tap Uninstall. Then reinstall from the App Store or Play Store and log in again. Your photos and profile are saved on Instagram servers, so you lose nothing.
If wrong clock breaks Instagram. If your date and time are off, secure connections fail. On iPhone, go to Settings, General, Date and Time, and turn on Set Automatically. On Android, go to Settings, System, Date and Time, and turn on both automatic toggles. Then reopen Instagram.
Log out and back in. Tap your profile icon at the bottom right, tap the hamburger menu at the top right, scroll to the bottom, and tap the red Log Out button. Confirm, then sign in again with your username and password.
If Instagram will not connect but other sites work, your DNS may be the problem. On iPhone, go to Settings, Wi-Fi, tap the eye next to your network, scroll to DNS, tap Configure DNS, switch to manual, add 8.8, 8.8, and 8.8, 4.4 and save. On Android, go to Settings, Network and Internet, Private DNS, choose Private DNS Provider Hostname, type DNS*Google, and save. Need Instagram right now? Use the web version. Open your browser, go to Instagram.com, and log in. The web works even when the app does not. And after an iPhone offload, logging in on the web first, then tapping the Open in the app banner, reinstalls the app and often clears the error.
Still stuck? Report it. In Instagram, tap your profile, the hamburger menu, scroll to More Info and Support, tap Help, then Report a Problem. Choose Report Problem without shaking. Describe the error, add a screenshot, and send. Or just shake your phone while the error is on screen. You will not get a personal reply, but mass reports get bugs fixed faster.
If you see, try again later. We are restricting some activities to protect our community. That is not a server error. Your account is temporarily rate limited. Stop liking, commenting, and following immediately. Every retry can extend the block. Wait 24 to 48 hours. Then test in an incognito browser on Instagram.com. If it works there, the block has lifted.
Why does this happen? 5 causes. Server side, Instagram's own outages, and there were several in 2026 alone. Network, weak Wi-Fi, blocked networks, bad DNS. App, corrupted cache or an outdated version. Device, wrong clock or low storage. Account, rate limits and restrictions. The golden rule. If Instagram is down, wait. If it is not, work through the fixes you just saw, because they cover every one of these causes.
Here is the whole playbook. Check if Instagram is down. Force close, restart, check your network, turn off the VPN. Update, clear cache, reinstall, fix the clock, log out and in. Change DNS, use the web, report the problem, and for rate limits, just wait. If this helped, like and subscribe for more fixes. See you in the next one.